You might think doing a coolant change on your Zontes motorbike would be a job for a mechanic in a motorbike dealership. Yet the process is a job that can be done with little knowledge. You just need the know-how. This is where Zontes steps in for its owners. This video will guide you through the coolant change, step by step, giving you satisfaction and saving money in the process. So study the video. Take your time, and take satisfaction in your work. Please go to my channel where you will find many videos on different Zontes bikes as well as your own model. Regards, Mad Mick. Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. Your bike's antifreeze cooler. No, it's not some new energy drink. This is the swamp juice currently circulating through your Zontes 703F. And today we're draining it, because engines don't like running on radioactive pond water. This procedure I do every 2 years on my Zontes bikes. Now, why even bother changing coolant? Well, fresh coolant keeps the engine young. It's basically anti-wrinkle cream for metal. It also stops overheating, because nothing ruins a ride faster than your bike turning into a kettle. Old coolant eventually turns into sludge, and if it looks like a Starbucks latte, congratulations, you're brewing a rustchino. And yes, Zontes themselves recommend it, so if you ignore them, don't be surprised when your bike engine goes kaput, and your warranty ghosts you. The process is simple. First, drain the old stuff, straight out of the bike and into the Do Not Drink collection. Some people flush the system with distilled water. I briefly considered Red Bull, but apparently wings don't help radiators. Then refill with fresh coolant. This neon magic potion is less toxic to your engine than your ex's text messages. Finally, bleed the system to get rid of any bubbles, because your coolant system should not sound like it's sipping a milkshake. So pay attention to the video steps. And that's it. Fresh coolant, happy engine, and zero swamp juice. If only fixing my coffee machine was this easy. Hit like before my bike overheats again, and subscribe for more questionable garage science. Until next time, keep your bikes cool and your jokes cooler.
I'm coming for the throne.